In the US right now, private equity firms are quietly buying up plumbing companies, electrical firms, and HVAC businesses. Not rebranding them, not changing the vans, they keep them looking small. But behind the scenes, they're owned by multi-million, sometimes billion-pound groups. Why? Because these businesses are AI-proof. AI can write code, AI can answer calls, AI can even replace some jobs. But AI can't fix your boiler, it can't unblock your drain, and it definitely can't rewire your house. And here's the part most people miss. Even AI needs these trades. Data centers need power, cooling systems, water flow, so the demand, it's not going anywhere. So the question isn't, will trades survive? It's, who's going to stand out? Because when these big groups buy companies, they look for one thing: visibility, reputation, brand. That's where this changes. Imagine your van driving around with something people actually remember. DR14NEG, drainage, BO57LOO, bust loo, NO70OLS, no tools. Not just a registration plate, a moving advert. Something that sticks in people's heads. Because in a world where big money is buying small businesses, the ones that win are the ones people remember first. One plate, one brand, one decision that puts you ahead.